In this section of the SolidPLANT 2014 demo, I'll be showing a new feature from SolidPLANT 2014. It's a structural feature, the insert connection function. This function allows you to very easily place clip angles, end plates, and support angles in your structural items so that you may detail them a little more completely. As you look in the screen, you can see that we have a structural item open. This is a simple structure that we previously made. I'll take a look in the feature tree. And as I click on this trim extend feature, you can see that it shows us the trim surface of the beam. I will edit that trim feature. Here you see the SolidWorks property manager for the trim feature. In the trim boundary group, we have a weld gap option. I can click on this, and then below the weld gap option, I can enter a value, and SolidWorks will create a gap between the mating faces that are trimmed. And there you can see that a 10 millimeter gap is now created between the beam and the post. I'll exit this function, and now I'll begin to show you the insert connection feature. On the structure toolbar, we go to our insert connection function. Click on the function and it will open up the dialog box. Here's our dialog box open. I will move my structure a little bit to get a better view. And here I can select the two faces that I will be placing the connection on. Simply do a control select, and I hit my arrow to enter these into my input fields. And you can see the function has added those to the green and red fields. We hit our next button, and you can see that our edit screen appears. We will select the clip angle type and the basic angle template. Hitting the insert button will place the clip. There you see our clip appeared. It's a little large, so we go to the custom dimensions section, and we can simply change some dimensions. Our clip angle automatically rebuilds as you see it now. Going back, we will come to our original corner where we created our weld gap, and we'll be putting an end plate at the end of this I-beam. I'll use the SolidWorks select other functionality to select the end face of the I-beam and then the face of the post, and I'll enter those as before. Here I've selected the end plate type and the end plate template, and then once again I will enter my custom values so that my end plate is sized properly. Very quickly and easily we have our end plate structural connection created. We simply close that out, and there you have insert connections from SolidPLANT.